This video tutorial I will explain what is DevOps Lifecycle. Imagine you are part of the team working on the project to build and improve the smartphone app. The DevOps Lifecycle is a method that helps teams like yours to efficiently and continuously deliver better versions of the app. Here you can see the DevOps Lifecycle. It starts with plan, code, build, test, release, deploy, operate, and monitor. Then this cycle will repeat. Step 1 is planning. We can think of this as a brainstorming phase. The teams get together to discuss new features, improvements, and bug fixes for the app. They make plan for what needs to be done next. The second step is development. This is where the coding happens. Developers write the actual code to create new features or fix issues in the app. It is like building new rooms in a house or fixing the leaks. The third step is building. Once the code is written, it needs to be put together into a working version of the app. This is like assembling all parts of the car to make sure the car runs smoothly. Fourth step is testing. Now the app needs to be checked to make sure everything works as expected. Automated tests are run to find and fix any problems. It is like taking the car for a test drive to ensure the car functions correctly. Fifth step is releasing. When the app is tested and ready, it is packaged and prepared for a release. This step is like wrapping a gift and getting it ready to be given to someone. The sixth step is deploying. The new version of the app is then deployed to the servers where users can access it. It is like putting the car on the market so people can start driving it. The seventh step is operating. Once the app is live, it needs to be monitored to make sure it runs smoothly and efficiently. This is like having a team of mechanics always checking the car to ensure it works well. Eighth step is monitoring. Continuous monitoring is crucial to track the app's performance and user feedback. It is similar to using sensors in the car to keep eye on its health and performance. Feedback. User feedback and performance data are collected to understand what works well and what needs improvement. This feedback is then used to plan the next set of features or fixes, and the cycle begins again. Now we will see why DevOps matters. The first point is speed. DevOps helps teams to deliver updates and new features quickly, so users always have the best version of the app. The second point is quality. Continuous testing and continuous monitoring ensure that the app is reliable and high quality. Third point is collaboration. DevOps fosters better teamwork between developers and operations. Developers who build the app, operation who manage the app. The DevOps lifecycle is about creating a smooth ongoing process where your app is constantly being improved and updated efficiently. It is like having a well-oiled machine that keeps getting better with each cycle, ensuring users always have the best experience. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.